What's the difference between Amazon's Prime program, Walmart's Plus, or Target's 360 Circle? My name is Stephen Pope. I'm the founder of My Amazon Guy, and we'll be diving in to the differences between these two programs. Now, many of you probably know what Amazon Prime is. Same-day shipping pretty much across the United States. Walmart's gaining some steam, and they have their own Plus program, and there are about 25% of the United States that are subscribed to both Prime and Walmart at this point. But almost nobody that I know has any idea what this Target Circle 360 is. So I thought I'd shoot this video to kind of explain these differences, what it could mean to you as an Amazon seller, if anything, what you need to know about. All right, so membership pricing right off the bat, obviously Amazon's going to be the most expensive. They have the most robust program, $139 a year. Walmart Plus coming in at $98 a year. I'm actually surprised they're able to charge that much, to be honest, because they don't really offer that much, and we'll get into that. And Target Circle 360 at $99 a year. For a program I've never even heard of, and you probably never heard of, you're wondering, why are they charging so much? We'll dive into that as well. All right, so what are the main perks of each of these programs? Amazon Prime, free same-day or two-day shipping. Obviously, we know this is subsidized shipping programs. You just pay in advance, which is fine, especially if you're buying more than 10 items a year. It usually pans out. Same-day grocery delivery for orders over $100. I use that all the time, several times a week. Whole Foods delivery to my house. Gotta love me some steak delivery to the house. I never have to set foot in a grocery store. Super awesome. God bless the trash man that takes away my Amazon Prime boxes, as well as all the trash I do with Whole Foods. All right, then you get access to Amazon Fresh. Almost nobody uses that. And Whole Foods discounts. I don't really know what the discounts are, to be honest. I've never really seen them. Walmart Plus, free same-day delivery for orders over $35, especially strong for grocery delivery. This is what really is the staple, grocery delivery, household staples. This is what most people are using Walmart Plus for, since the shipping, if you make, I don't know, 4, maybe 5 shipments, you'll probably break even on the program. Target Circle 360, unlimited free-day same delivery for orders over $35. Via ShipT, don't know what that is. Free day shipping from local stores, strong for groceries and essentials. All right, so we all know Target charges about 15% more than Amazon or Walmart. So if you're going to order online, doesn't make a lot of sense to order through Target. You get the same goods, just at a higher price. If you're going into the store, you could make the argument that Target has an advantage of atmosphere. You know, they got a Starbucks inside at many places. Walmart, it's got a McDonald's in there, and people at Walmart, not so cool. Whole Foods, totally different story. You're going to pay a lot for that, obviously, but they're not really, it's not the same shopper as Walmart is grocery as at all. All right, sales returns, extra benefits. So yeah, there's some Prime Day stuff, but Walmart's doing that pretty much for everybody anyway. I think that's kind of all a bust. But the additional perks like Amazon Prime, Prime Video, Prime Music, Audible, Kindle, Grubhub Plus, RX Pass prescription. Most of you don't know about that yet. You can now get prescriptions through Amazon. Photo storage, try before you buy, and more. Those are substantial programs, and I would say just the Prime Music alone would be enough to make it the best program. You would have to basically have Walmart buy Spotify to have an equivalent. Walmart Plus has Paramount Plus, which is, it's getting a little better sometimes. It's pretty trashy woke TV for the most part, but a couple good programs in there. Fuel discounts, 10 cents a gallon, but you know, a lot of us are going electric these days, so not too much benefit for some people there. Free flat tire repair. I can't tell you if I've ever heard of somebody using that. And Walmart Cash Rewards. You do have to use their app for that or online orders. I think it's a little weak. Amazon Store Card gives 5% back already. Target Circle 360, personalized deals, who cares? Additional discounts, again, that's 5% comparable to Amazon's Prime card. And since your stuff's 15% higher to begin with, not a perk. And strong for families with children and younger diverse members. That's probably a negative for them. That's why their stock's going down right now, especially with some of the things that they've put out for children. I will not comment on that. Demographics and shopping behavior, Amazon Prime, widest member distribution, strong urban and rural market. Walmart Plus, more rural, family-centered, larger household base, lower incomes. I bet this will change over time. Target Circle 360, younger, more affluent, more diverse, higher likelihood of families with children, higher engagement online and in store. Yeah, there's literally nothing to write home about. There's nothing. They're just giving us demographics information at this point. All right, so member spending and overlap. Members of each program spend significantly more at the respective retailer. That makes sense. If you have a subscription, you're going to spend more there. Okay, make sure. 83% of Walmart Plus and 86% of Target 360 members also have Amazon Prime. So basically, everybody's just adding on to Amazon Prime. Hardly anybody has a non-Amazon Prime, but they have one of the other programs. I think that's probably the most interesting stat we've gone through so far. So here's a little summary table to kind of break it down. But I think it really comes down to the fact that Amazon has, 100 times more stuff available. And there's not a standalone benefit to Walmart Plus or Target 360 really, nothing comparable, right? Like you can't compare Lord of the Rings Prime Video on Amazon to anything Paramount Plus. Star Trek, maybe, not really, on Walmart Plus's Paramount setup. So not really cool there. I think RX Pass is going to become way big. I think this is going to get way, way bigger on Amazon. So that's going to be super interesting to see how that goes. May even have like you're going to call up your Amazon doc to get your Amazon prescription and then order it Prime, and it's going to drop with a drone at your house. It's going to be super neat. That'd be really cool, actually. I would sign up for that in a heartbeat. Rolling Stone basically says Prime wins every category except best deals. And who cares about return policy? I don't think 360 is better, to be honest. I think they're wrong. You can return anything to Amazon. In fact, there's actually so many fraudulent returns that customers are getting away with on Amazon that sellers are taking a margin hit right now. And for them to say best price for 360, okay. So it's cheaper, but doesn't give you anything. 15% more expensive in store, but you pay less for the membership. So I think Rolling Stone, a little off base with some of their propaganda here, but that's what they're saying. Thought it also might be interesting to see how many total subscribers there are. So about 230 million Amazon Prime members in 2025. Walmart Plus, about 26 million. So it's basically 10x the size. And Target's paid membership program has public ambitions to triple, but currently trails an estimated under several million paid members. So it's vague. It's not even giving a specific number here. I'm going to guess that's probably about 3 million. That's my guess. I don't really think that's going to do well. But they have a free loyalty program with about 13 million members in that. Okay. So I think the paid is going to be less than 3 million. My guesstimates on that. So that's my quick comparison for you guys between Amazon Prime, Walmart Plus, and Target 360 Circle. Terrible name. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did I miss any perk or benefit that you think should have been part of the review? Add a comment. We'll take a look at that. And if there's any topics you want me to cover on the channel, leave a comment. I will make some content for all requests. My name again, Stephen Pope, founder of My Amazon Guy. And if you need help growing your brand online, hit me up at steven@myamazonguy.com.